Hey guys, welcome to another tasty and delicious episode of Cooking with Gracie Love. And today I have two very beautiful special guests with me today. To my left I have here, and to my right I have
Alana.
And Alana's here representing a very special organization here that works a lot with the youth, Lambda Kappa Omega Crystal Lights Sorority Inc. And I'm very glad that you were able to come and join today. It's exciting for me to be a part of the sorority as well. And so I'm just glad that we're going to be here together cooking up something really special. So today the girls have wanted to make a really sweet, tasty dish. So we're going to show you guys how to make some apple fries with a caramel sauce. You guys ready to show them what to do? Yeah? Okay, so let's get started. So girls, what is the first thing that we're gonna need? We're gonna need our apples, right? And I'm using the Granny Smith apples because I like the sweetness of it and everything like that. So we've got them already peeled. If you can find them already peeled, that's cool, okay? So our next step is we need to cut these up so they look like fries, right? So I want you girls to go ahead and grab an apple. All right, and so when we're cutting these, we want to take them and you want to cut diagonal. We're going to do like a cross, okay? So also making sure that when you're doing this, you're keeping your palms and fingers up on the top, okay? So you go ahead, start there, yep. And then with your other hand, I'm left-handed, so it's going to look funny when I'm doing it, okay? So yeah, and put your fingers up and then go ahead, press down. Good. Oh, that's okay. Go ahead and get another one. That is also the tricky part. And again, I want to show you guys how to make these simple little recipes. And it's okay. These things happen. All right? So go ahead. Fingers up. Great. Yep. And that nice a little tricky too. So that's okay. Yeah. Go ahead, girl. Push. Get mad. Pretend your mom told you to clean your room and you're like, oh, I'm tired. Yep. Good. Help. So fingers up. And like I said, this one, see, it's okay. We're going to just use these ones. It's definitely the knife, you guys, okay? So now that we've done that here, I'm going to give that back to you because now we're going to go the other way. So for yours, you just cut yours in half, and same for you. We're going to just cut them in half again. So if you guys would like to help get better silverware so the girls can cut better, you guys can go ahead and send your donations in. Okay, perfect. And then we want to make sure for yours, we want to clean that off. So in the inside, you might have these little rinds right here. You could just go ahead and cut those off, and then we'll cut them again to get that fry shape. Yeah? Okay. So you're good. You don't have to worry about that like she has to. So you can just cut yours straight down again like you would do some French fries, okay? And remember, fingers up. Good job. Nice. And we'll do that half. Perfect. And then you can just take yours. Good. And remember when you're doing that to keep your fingers bent like this. Yeah. Perfect. Okay, and then I'm going to help you out with this. We're going to cut out our seeds, okay, if you have a seed. So the easiest way I just cut it out like you would kind of like a potato. You can do however is easy for you, but I just kind of scoop it just like that. And it's all gone, okay? And then I'm going to ask you to cut it one more time in half, okay? Cool. And then yours is all good. All right, so I'm going to grab the next bowl because next is going to be the coating, right? We need to coat these in some cornstarch. Now, I know a lot of us don't have cornstarch. That's okay, but we're going to need it this time for this recipe, all right? And it's not that, not something that's really expensive to go out. You know, I try to keep these recipes budget friendly for you guys. So cornstarch is going to go on these so we can go ahead and put them into the fryer. And we already rinsed them off as well, but if you didn't already do that, make sure you rinse everything off. Okay, so now that they're all set, we're going to put them back in the bowl, yeah? Okay. All right, Van, so go ahead. What do we need to do next?
Sprinkle a little bit of this on top of it.
A little louder.
You sprinkle the cornstarch a little bit like that.
Okay.
And then you just mix it up.
Okay.
just even.
Okay.
Just a little bit more. That should be good.
A little louder.
That should be good.
Okay. Okay.
Then you place
Let's show them what that looks like. Let's like get it all tossed up like that. So that's what you want it to look like once you get that cornstarch on there, okay? All right, so what's next?
Then you can add a little bit. This is optional.
Okay, let's let Elena do the cinnamon. Or that's nutmeg, excuse me. That one's nutmeg.
Just add a little bit of that.
Okay. Yeah, a little bit more on that one. Okay, I'm gonna toss them up. All right.
Now,
Okay. And then that'll be what that looks like. And now,
if your oil is ready, you dump them in the oil.
okay. So we're not dumping them in the oil, right? Never, 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 never. We're gonna use our tongs and we're gonna place them in our oil, especially because our oils are. And you need to step back. We want to reach in, right? So structure exactly why you want to reach in, right? Because you want, if that grease pops, you don't want it to pop on you. So stretch your hand all the way out and drop. Very good. All the way out and drop. Okay. One more. All the way out and drop. Okay. Split. Now, same thing. All the way back and reach your arm out. And you have long sleeves, and that's something else you want to encourage your kids to wear long sleeves when frying, okay? So if you have those pops. So you can stand here like I'm doing. I'm going to get behind you. Reach your arm all the way out. Yep. Good. And if you still got room, you need to step back some. And reach your arm all the way out. There you go. All the way out. Very good. I feel like a drill sergeant. And all the way out. Good job. Perfect. Good. All right. Oh, there's still some more in there. Okay, I'll dunk you one. So now we're gonna let these get all nice and golden, GVD, right? And then we'll go ahead and continue on with the rest of the toppings that need to go on there, and also that wonderful caramel sauce. All right, so the apple fries have cooled. They're ready to get this little sugar concoction that we have started. So what do we have in this bowl here?
It's nutmeg, cinnamon, and sugar.
Nutmeg, cinnamon, and sugar. Okay, so what are we going to do with them? We're putting them on our fries, right?
Yep.
Okay.
So you're going to toss them. You're going to toss them in here.
Okay.
And then you're going to sprinkle or put how much you want, because you're going to toss them regardless, but you're going to put how much you want up on it.
Okay. So let's let, shake it up. Go ahead, baby. Shake it up. Kind of like how they do when they doing your wings at the wings joint. Nice. Oh, there we go. That's okay. My counter is clean. There you go. We magic erase over here, y'all. Perfect. Okay. So now what do we need?
Now we just need a plate. So
Okay. Oh, my favorite part. And we got some ice cream.
hold it.
Okay. This is just what you need when you're diabetic. Sugar apple. And you can use whatever kind of ice cream you would like. There you go. Oh, here you go.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
And you can use a regular spoon. You don't got an ice cream scoop, right?
Yeah.
And again, whatever ice cream you want to use with it, go ahead. And if you want to add any extra special little toppings, right? If you're really big and want to get some, sugar pieces, cereal pieces, or some little gummy worms or gummy bears, right? You can really make it like a youth world kind of a thing. Oh, that was good. Well, she getting a nice, healthy helping of this ice cream right now to go along with these fries. I'm so excited. They smell delicious. I can smell the cinnamon. I can smell the nutmeg. I can just smell all those different flavors, and it just smells so delicious.
Okay, so now.
Okay, we could scoop up, get our little.
Yep, now you can get the fries.
Okay. Go ahead, girl. Dig in. Beautiful. And we eat with our eyes, right? So it's a good thing too to show these guys you're gonna play. So that's a good little plate. We could also put them on top if you like to keep it real cute with your plating. That's also a good idea. Cute. Perfect. Mama just gonna grab her one. All right, y'all ready? Oh, God, forgot the caramel sauce, the most important part. I love caramel sauce. I am like a caramel and hot fudge freak. I love them. Oh, beautiful. Oh, nice healthy helping. She's gonna be scraping the caramel from her plate. All right. Let's dig in, you guys. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, that is so delicious. It's like a funnel cake like you would get if you're off at a fair or something. This came out absolutely delicious. What do you guys think?
It's good.
Yeah? What do you think about the recipe? Is that something simple? Is that something you think, other kids can try at home?
Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect little snack, perfect little dessert, apples and sugar. What's better than that? And a little bit of ice cream. So, Lana, let me ask you, if other girls are interested in joining the sorority, how could they join your organization?
They can go to 7-letters.org.
Okay, 7-letters.org is where you guys can find the Lambda Kappa Omega Inc. sorority. And if you guys want any more information, like I said, you go ahead and find them there. So you guys enjoying yeah, see, they're almost gone. Try it with ice cream, okay. And this is my kid, so it's okay. I'm going to take her bite. That ice cream tasted up a whole nother notch with that caramel. Definitely. I want to thank you so much for coming and joining us on this episode. I had an amazing time showing you guys safe ways, right, to use the stove and make a delicious, simple, easy dish. So there's one important thing that I stress in this kitchen when you are using the stove and frying is what?
Step all the way back and put your oven on.
Thank you. And also, too, wear long sleeves as well, okay? I know it gets hot when you're frying, right? You're going to get sweaty, but it's more important you could take a shower and get that sweat off than you have to ice your arm because you burned yourself, right? So we want to take extra precautions. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to another delicious episode of Cooking with Gracie Love. Make sure you get your copy of Quick Fix Meals on Amazon. And make sure you guys check out the new single featuring Red Vegas, Take Me Away, okay? And subscribe and like to Cooking with Gracie Love. Until next time, you guys.